Ragi, also known as finger millet, is a powerhouse of nutrition, and this dosa is a fantastic way to incorporate its goodness into your daily diet. Ragi offers a multitude of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your meals. It is rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. It is also packed with essential minerals like calcium and iron. It is one of our go-to breakfast options, and we prepare it for at least 3 times a week, as we think this is the easiest way to incorporate millets in our diet. This simple tweak to our regular dosas is going to give you a multitude of health benefits. Moreover, the United Nations General Assembly at its 75th session declared 2023 as the International Year of Millets. So let's dive into the recipe. Step 1 is soaking the grains. The only difference between regular dosa and ragi dosa is the proportion of the grains. The rest of the process is exactly the same as we would do for a regular dosa. Here I have taken 1 cup of idli or dosa rice, 2 cups of ragi, 1 cup of urad dal and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. If you are a beginner to millets and are not very familiar with the taste of ragi, then you could start with 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of ragi and gradually increase the amount of ragi. Wash them nicely for 6 to 7 times till the water is clean and soak it for at least 5 to 6 hours. Step 2 is grinding the grains. Discard the water that was used for soaking the grains and wash it once again, and then add the grains to a mixer jar and grind it into a smooth batter. Once the batter is ready, mix it all thoroughly with your hands. Mixing the batter with hands is a traditional practice that allows natural microorganisms on your hands to contribute to the fermentation process. Add some salt. Salt could be added while grinding the batter or even just before preparing the dosas. Mix it thoroughly with your hands. Step 3 is fermenting the batter overnight. Fermented ragi enhances nutrient bioavailability, digestibility and gut health while potentially improving B vitamin content and lowering the glycemic index. We cover it nicely with a cloth and put a lid over it, as the climate is slightly cooler here and fermentation takes more time. Leave it overnight. Step 4 is making the dosas. Heat a pan, preferably use a cast iron pan if you have one. Follow the same steps that you would do to make a regular dosa. Spread the batter evenly. Drizzle some oil or ghee over the dosa. Ghee helps in better absorption of the nutrients from the millets. We as a family don't have milk as a drink, and hence we try to incorporate ragi into our diet as a primary source of calcium. Ragi takes slightly longer to cook, and hence I will flip it over and cook it for another 15 to 20 seconds. And your ragi dosa is ready. This recipe could be done by skipping rice and using 3 cups of ragi and 1 cup of urad dal, but you would have to add half a cup of cooked rice or poha while making the batter. Do try this recipe out, and I am pretty sure that this would be your go-to breakfast option thereafter. Let me know in the comment section about your opinions. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do like, comment and share the video. Thank you.